Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to use cash secured puts in the stock market as a passive income strategy. Now, the pros to having a cash secured put are you receive a premium, no matter which direction the stock goes, up, down, or sideways, you'll still get that premium every time. And, you could potentially pick up stocks you like at a discount and get paid to do it. And if the stock price never falls below the strike price that you chose, then you can just keep on selling cash secured puts each week and keep collecting that premium until it finally does fall below that price. Now, the cons to the cash secured put is that the price of the stock could keep rising too high for you to be able to keep up the collateral that you need to sell one at a 30 delta. And if the price drops really fast, you might not be able to get out of the trade or roll over your option, and you might not come out with a profit. But there are still ways around that, and generally you can always come out with a profit if you employ the right strategy. Now, the things to look for whenever you go to buy a cash secured put are you're going to want to pick a stock that you don't mind holding long term. Now, a lot of people just pick stocks with high implied volatility that have high premiums on them, but that's not really the way to go. You want to be looking at this stock as bullish long term. Make sure that you have enough collateral to cover the 100 shares from the option at the strike price that you pick, though, not at the price that it currently is at. And then it's best to find an option with around a 30 delta. We're going to go over it in just a minute on how to find a 30 delta option and how to pick out an option in general for a cash secured put. Alright, I'll see you there. Alright, so here we are on SoFi Technologies on the Robinhood platform. We're going to use this stock as an example to make a cash secured put. And so we'll go down here to trade SoFi options. And well, first let's look at this. This stock is a fintech stock, and they're kind of hitting another a resistance line, right? Or not resistance, a support line there. And I am kind of bullish on this stock. This isn't financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but we're going to use this stock as an example. We'll go to put here, and then press sell. And then we're going to look for one with a 30 delta. If you scroll down a little bit, this is 22 delta, but that's close enough. That kind of signals the percentage chance that the option will end in the money, which would be about a 22.5% chance there. So we'll go to this plus button here, and it's a short put because I'm selling it. Short means selling. And then the total credit we're going to collect is $13, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but $13, and I'm putting up $1,500. That's almost a 1% return over a 3-day period, because this is Wednesday. A 3-day period, there's over 365 days in a year, so you could do that 100 times, a 1% return. 100 times would be 100% return in a year. If you were right every time. Obviously it'll never turn out like that, but it's a nice thought. So we'll go to continue, and we got one contract. The limit price is $13. We'll put it good for the end of the day, and we'll review the order. I'll go through with the trade now. Alright, and it was placed, and once it gets once it's fully completed, it'll say, short put completed. Alright, and that's how you sell a put. We'll kind of look right here real quick. Let's see. We put up $1,500 first we'll say it was a $13 credit that we received, divided by the 1,500 shares, or 1,500 in collateral. that we had for the shares. That's about a 0.86 return over 3 days. So let's say that's 120 times. You could do that in a year if you could do this every 3 days. So we'll times that by 120, and then times that by the 1,500 in collateral, and it'll put you at a $1,500 return on a $1,500 collateral. That's a little over 100% return in 1 year. And now obviously you won't get that every time, but you know, the S&P 500 is only given about an 8% return once you adjust for inflation. So you know, 100% return or anywhere close to that is a way better deal. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and if you did, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this stuff out there to everybody so that way everybody can make a passive income. Regardless if they have very many skills, everybody can get on a brokerage and, you know, sign up, and it'll be worth it for everybody in the long run if they all know how to invest and be financially literate. So, yep, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.